Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fall look. I already did my eyebrows. If you didn't see that video, I uploaded it yesterday on how I fill in my eyebrows and I applique them. So first thing I'm going to do to create this look is I'm going to take my Cicapair and my 100% argan oil and just put a few drops of them both. So now I am going to take my concealer. It's Clinique and 0.5 Breeze. And we're just going to go under my eyebrows. Alright, so now that my brows are concealed, I'm going to get right into the look. I think I'm gonna start with the orange. So let me get that out. Alright, so I'm going to take Cairo. It's this orange right here, and this is what it looks like. It's like a really pretty orange, and it kind of looks, it's like the shade of a pumpkin, but with a little bit of sparkles in there. So I'm going to take this buffing brush. It is M420, and I'm just going to dip into that Cairo Very Pigmented. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this S6 and I'm going to take a little bit of my Clinique concealer, put that on the, carve out the lid a little bit. And now that I have that, I'm going to take this M222, it's like a buffing brush, and I'm going to take Dahlia, this gold, and I'm going to put that right on top of where I concealed. And I'm going to go back in with that little bit light brown and just smudge that out. I'm going to put on my my foundation and my concealer. And I'm going to take this Stila Stay All Day Dry Liquid in Naughty. And it's a really dark purple. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm going to take my Anastasia's Sweets Glow Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Sassy Grape, of course. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is I need to do my contour, blush, and my mascara. And I'm not going to do lashes. I need to buy some more of them. So 5 from Morphe and take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. My Tarte and Party. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs mascara and put that on. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Please share with your friends. Don't forget, I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.